Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve DePoe, realtor with the Rose Realty team, your trusted advisor, with this week's real estate market update for the week ending October 20th. We focus, as always, on Denton County and the broader North Texas market. Rates eased again slightly. Inventory remains elevated, and buyers are gaining leverage. Smart pricing plus turnkey condition are winning this week. Mortgage backdrop. Rates eased again slightly. Inventory remains elevated, and buyers are gaining leverage. Smart pricing plus turnkey condition are winning this week. Mortgage backdrop. The average 30-year fixed rate ticked down to 6.27% on October 16th, the third straight week holding in the mid-sixes. 15-year average 5.52%. Lower, steadier rates are nudging refinances and helping fall buyers qualify. The North Texas Pulse. DFW median price sat at $390K in September, essentially flat year over year, with 7,666 closings and 35,465 active listings, a clear sign of choice returning to the market. Analysts across Texas note a more balanced setup into year-end as inventory builds and price growth cools. How about a Denton County snapshot? A local September roll-up shows 1,226 homes sold, 435K median price, 55 DOM, approximately 4.7 months of inventory, consistent with a gradually normalizing but still competitive market. Independent analysis of NTREIS feeds indicates Denton County median prices were down 6.5% year over year in September, reflecting price discipline returning. Zillow's county dashboard, using a different methodology, shows 460K median sale, $475,000 median list in September, and 44 days on the market, and 5,749 active listings. What this means for sellers this week? Price to the pivot, not the P. K, with inventory higher and price growth flatter, anchor to the most recent pendings and refreshed comps from the past 30 to 45 days, not spring highs. Expect sharper pushback if you overshoot, or expect a longer stay on the market. Condition equals conversion. Homes that show ready on day one are trading faster and with fewer concessions. Consider pre-inspection, minor punch list, and fresh paint landscaping to win eyeballs during week one. Strategy. Launch with a tight price band, pro photos and video, and a 7-day momentum plan, like just listed email/social, weekend open house, price watch on day 10 if traffic. What this means for buyers this week? Leverage is improving. With months of supply near the 4 to 5 range in Denton County, higher than pandemic lows, you can negotiate closing costs, rate buydowns, or minor repairs, especially on listings with higher than 30 days on market. Lock and shop math works again. Mid 6% rates plus lender credits/builder incentives can trim your monthly. If you're payment sensitive, layer a 2-1 buydown or seller credit into the offer while this rate window holds. Buyer strategy. Target homes with price reductions or stale days on market. Keep your offer clean and ask for credits instead of headline price, which is often easier for sellers to accept. Micro market notes: we're watching North Denton/Sanger/Crum. Value plays with more inventory build-up, room to negotiate credits. Robson Ranch and 55-plus corridors, Denton, Argyle, Flower Mound. Lifestyle buyers still active. Turnkey updated finishes outperform dated floor plans. Mix-driven pricing explains some of September's year-over-year dip. Fresco Little Elm spillover into Denton County. New build competition plus incentives means resale must be photo perfect and price right to win traffic. Actionable to-dos for this week. Sellers, request our 7-day launch plan checklist. Prep, media, ad calendar, open house script. Buyers, get a payment scenario at 6.27% with a 2-1 buy down and compare to par rate, often a better net than chasing a lower list price. Investors, with flat prices and rising inventory, analyze cash on cash with current rents. Target properties with greater than 30 days on market for negotiation room. Watch for next week's real estate update for North Texas. Wait 2 seconds for my contact information.